Hello and welcome to Androidia. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can add cool transitions to your videos using InShot video editor. And here you can see some transitions. So all these transitions are completely free of use, but you can also sign up for premium plan or upgrade to pro version of InShot to add these cool transitions to your videos. It's very simple and easy. First of all, you will have to install the latest version of InShot from Google Play Store, because in the latest version of InShot transitions has been added. You can see 50 plus transitions supported with beat effects and HSL tool. If you are using an older version of InShot, you cannot add transitions. You cannot add these transitions very easily. So now let's see how you can do this. First of all, let's create a new project. Open a video. And now if you want to add a transition, simply choose the split option. Here you can see we have this split tool. You can see this option, tap on it, and now here we have some basic transitions. All these transitions are completely free of use, but we also have super and glitch option. So super and glitch transitions are premium features. You will have to upgrade to pro version. So these are pro transitions. So let's try this free transition. Apply this one and let's play our video. Now let's try this one and play our video. So this is how you can easily add these cool transitions to your videos. You don't need to pay for the pro version to use all these transitions. You can use free version, and we also have different transitions in the free version. Thank you very much for watching this video.